It's okay some days to not know how you feel. You may just feel a bit neutral. Maybe think about your emotions as colours. What colour makes you happy? What colour could you use to show someone you were feeling a bit mad or frustrated? Or maybe you were feeling a bit confused or overwhelmed by a situation. Or maybe if you were feeling scared, what colour could help show someone you were feeling a bit frightened or nervous? Colours mean different things to different people, so maybe sit down and have a think. What colour means what to you? You could then use something simple like a mood tracker to keep a record of how you're feeling over a few days or weeks or months.